What is non-nuclear inheritance? I'm Mr. W from learn-biology.com, where we believe that interaction and feedback is what leads to deep, substantial learning. We're so sure of that we provide a money-back guarantee that comes with your subscription. It's inheritance of genes that are not on a nuclear chromosome, but on the chromosome of a mitochondrion or a chloroplast. A nuclear chromosome is one of the autosomes or a sex chromosome that are found inside the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell. These genes that are on mitochondria or chloroplasts are only passed on to the offspring through the female gamete. Why? Let's look at the example of sperm. Sperm have mitochondria. The mitochondria power the flagellum that enables the sperm to swim towards the ovum. But when there's fertilization, only the head of the sperm penetrates through the egg membrane or is allowed in through the egg membrane, and all of the mitochondria are left outside. So all of the mitochondria that get passed on to the offspring are mitochondria that were passed on through the female germ cell. The inheritance pattern of these mitochondrial or chloroplast genes doesn't follow Mendelian patterns. You can see that in this pedigree over here, where the mom passes on the mitochondrial gene to all of her offspring, male and female. But the male who inherits the mitochondrial gene doesn't pass it on to any of his offspring. The male is essentially a mitochondrial dead end, if we're talking about mitochondria, where the female passes on her mitochondria to all of her offspring. In the case of mitochondrial inheritance in eukaryotes, all of one's mitochondria are inherited from one's mother. And in plants, they also have mitochondria, so the same rule applies, but they also have chloroplasts, and only the ovule, not the pollen, passes on chloroplasts and mitochondria to the offspring. So it's the same thing. It's female line inheritance of alleles when it relates to genes that are on an organelle, such as the mitochondria or a chloroplast. Want to learn more? Sign up for a free trial of the website that guarantees your AP Biology success, learn-biology.com, and watch this next video.